Hello students. Already we saw tissues chapter part 1 and part 2. Now we are going to see about part 3. Under this the following subtopics are there. Muscular tissue. Under muscular tissue, striated, unstriated and cardiac muscle tissue and nervous tissue. Muscular tissue. It is made up of muscle cells. You know very well our body is made up of muscles. Muscles of the body are made up of muscle cells. They are elongated and also called muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are made up of protein that helps for contraction and relaxation, or we can say expansion. Okay, muscular tissue, there are three types: striated, unstriated and cardiac muscle. Striated muscles, otherwise known as skeletal muscle. Yes, they are attached to the bones and helps in body movement. Why do we say it is a striated muscle? Because we can see dark and light bands are present in an alternative manner. Presence of transverse light and dark bands, that is only striations. Usually the cells of this muscle is long, cylindrical and non-tapering and unbranched. Many nucleus you can see. So it is a multinucleated. Then situated towards the periphery. Present in limbs, tongue, etc. And also it is called a skeletal muscle cell. Unstriated muscles. Unstriated, from the term itself we can understand there is no striations. This is smooth muscle, otherwise called as. The cells are long with pointed ends, then only one single nucleus. So it is a uninucleate. Nucleus is in the center. Then it is found in intestine, esophagus, stomach, internal organs. It is otherwise known as smooth muscle. Cardiac muscle. From the term itself we can understand it is found in the walls of the heart. Structurally it resembles the striated muscle, functionally resembles the smooth muscle. So rhythmic contraction and relaxation done with the help of this muscle. Striations are found, alternative bands, then branched, then presence of one or two nuclei. Nucleus usually situated in the center, then cells are elongated and branched. Yes, see this diagram where cardiac muscle, it is found in the heart. Then skeletal muscle is present in the upper arm. In the upper arm position it is found. Smooth muscle is found in the stomach region. Inside the stomach, smooth muscle is found. Differences between striated and unstriated muscles or smooth muscles. Striated muscles are long, cylindrical and non-tapering. Unstriated or smooth muscles are long and tapering. Then striated, from the term itself we can understand light and dark bands are found. Here no bands, or we can say absence of bands. Then striated, multinucleated. Unstriated or smooth muscle, only one nucleus or single nucleus or uninucleated. Then in the striated, the nucleus is found in the periphery. Then in the unstriated, nucleus is in the center. Then striated muscle found in the limbs, tongue, etc. Unstriated or smooth muscle found in internal organs like intestine, esophagus, stomach, lungs. Nervous tissue, which is the longest cell in our body, nerve cell, otherwise known as neuron. Already you studied in 8th standard also. Neuron present in all over our body parts. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. All these are composed of nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of nerve cells. Nerve cells are nothing but neuron. This neuron receive and conduct messages. Nerve cell consists of cell body, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell body otherwise known as cyton. Then from the cell body, long unbranched structure arises that is called axon. Branched small structure arises that is called dendrite. Dendrite receive impulses and the axon takes impulses away from the cell body. In this diagram also you can see the structure of the neuron. Neuron consists of three parts: nucleus, cytoplasm, or we can say cell body and axon. Then dendrite is a branched structure. The end of the axon connect to the dendrite of other neuron, that is called synapse. Through that the impulses are carried out. Axon carries impulses away from the cell body. Dendrite carry impulses towards the cell body. It is in the form of an electrical impulse, so it reaches immediately. Thank you children. With this chapter over.